My friend, hello. Can beg you subscribe to my channel. Oh, your ear come out. Can't touch it, make you seal it. Make your blessing start right so that is it. My dolly, but you so decent?
No, I'm not a dolly.
You're not dolly?
No.
Oh my God, well, I swear someone dolly this car. Boy, come like I dolly them and then touch the street. Everything just shot. I love the hair.
I'm not dolly.
I always compliment the hair, the good hair that I see it. You mind me can catch your ear?
Yeah.
Cheese and peace. Look good. Are you do it or you have a designer? Over there, sir. So massive she come right out. Look, hey, Mr. Jamaican woman them just look good, so. Ah, you see it? No one dolly. You come talk about you and a dolly. See somebody over there so say it too. All right, dolly. That is it. Jamaica walk by. They sponsor your meal today, yeah? Yeah, your meal for me today. Jamaica walk by, that's how we do it. Big up the teacher. Boyfriend of mine long let me hear you sell me. I say,
Lady,
me say,
lady,
yeah, deal.
how much you want? Lady, where you want? Me have pine and ginger, beetroot and carrot, carrot and thyme, onion and pepper. Lady, how you want? I will say corn.
Corn.
Get 350 for the nice corn. A sweet corn we sell straight in there. You know we don't sell another
All
corn,
right.
sweet corn.
So general
Because the people have a teeth problem in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We do the soft corn.
Collect
because
fee.
the young girl them have denture problem, they have teeth problem.
Yeah. This is a drive-in kitchen in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You understand? So, him a drive with him kitchen and him do a tone cry too. So if you lock up on the bathroom, you hear me forward. From way up there, somebody I walk up on me, I say somebody there in front of me I sell and he's selling.
Lady,
is it.
Lady, where you want? What corn me have? See, corn man. Corn and soup.
Figure that. Glory be to the Almighty. I wanna pray with you tonight now. Glory be to the Almighty. Wagwan, big up every time, no man. Look good, no man. And I see your Jamaica beautiful. OMG, OMG. Right now, massive, we're still up on the journey in Portland, and I tell us, say, yo, Portland is just so beautiful. No joke things, so massive. Right now, look, as you can see, it's all about Annotto Bay today. You understand? So I'm going to give you an extensive tour of Annotto Bay in our time, our present time. See? As you can look across there, so you understand, them may look like some Airbnb or some hotel or motel and thing. You understand? Some nice modern building over there. I would right on the seaside. Right on the seaside, they look good. The place is amazing. OMG, imagine living right where everybody else want to come on vacation. You know what I mean? We live where they vacate. You know what I mean? So bless up to everybody, you know. May I ask you, if you start watch this, like the video. That's all I beg you. Do. Like the video before we start. You understand? If you are watch right now and not subscribe, please may I beg you, subscribe to the channel right about now. Subscribe to the channel, please, may I beg you. Please, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You understand? So big up all my dieted supporters, them big up all my dieted subscribers, all like persons them when I have no email or no YouTube account for subscribe, but I'm still watching. Big up same way, mad respect, mad love to you all. You understand? So right now the breeze wicked and thing, but it's cool, it's nice, the sun hot, but the breeze are gone. So we're going to walk through Annotto Bay, we're going to show you the raw happenings, everything where I go down, you don't know what the place stay like, everything are gone and be a thing, just the natural ambience, the vibes, everything. We just want to capture the realness of Annotto Bay before we start. So listen, please, I'm asking you to like, share and subscribe and let's do this. Massive, you know, I'm going to try to talk to some people, I'm going to try to reason with some people. If I can't talk to them, I'm not going to talk to them, I'm going to just follow through. But this video is all about showing you what Annotto Bay look like in our time, our present time. Saying that is it. More love, more respect, and let's do this. Look good now, man. Ready, let's go.
I really look up to a mention a while ago.
Yes, so massive, if you're new to the channel, let me tell you. The camera is not on me. The camera is gonna be about the surroundings, all of the things that happen, you know what I mean, the place that you want to see. Yeah, me show myself and them things, but this channel is all about showing the natural living in Jamaica, what the place look like and what is happening and everything in our time. You see me? Big up to everybody on TikTok, big up to everybody on Instagram, and also everyone on YouTube, wherever you're watching this video from. See? Mad love, mad respect. I don't know about Flatty. OMG. That is it. So yeah, this is not a history channel. I'm just letting everybody know. This channel is not about giving a history about a specific place or where we go or where we at and all of them things. It's all about showing all of those information. I'm sure that there are other channels out there that actually do those stuff where if you want the history for your place, you can get it, or you can simply just do a simple YouTube or Google search if that's the thing. Blessed and respect, saying, yeah, as you can see, so no joke, no doubt. So, and we don't really narrate, so it's not a narrating video as well. We just walk through. I'm never sure where me I go. Now, none of them things that we just a walk, we just a look, we just a showcase. So all the massive them will probably never see Annotto Bay for a long time. You can get a full description or a full tour of what Annotto Bay looks like. We don't cut out nothing, we just walk through, we just show, and we just hold a vibe, and that is it. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Yeah. So that's how we do it here in Jamaica Walk By. Understand? As I think that is enough to all of the new people them. All of the old people them were there for a longer time. You know the channel go, you know the thing run. We just walk through, we just hold a vibe, we just show them what's up. See? And again, if you just start watch, do me a beg if you like the video. Please, 1,000 likes, quick and fast. No joke thing. Yeah, me teacher, manners. You see me, that is how we do it. So right now we are pretty much on the outskirts of Annotto Bay walking in. So we're actually on the coastal or the northern coastal highway walking into Annotto Bay. So I don't just start in the town, I try to start a little bit outside of the town. So all our people them can get to start join. You understand? Everybody can get to jump on the chat section and start talk if I feed them place, and you know, make sure so you can actually get a very good description of where me start walk from. You see me? So yeah, that is it. I just love. Same speed. Yes, Elder, blessing, see? Respect. Hold on, let me come over here. So let me see where y'all go out with, cause you don't know, big up yourself. Where say y'all lucky business? Alright, I go turn it up. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By, big up every time. It's a YouTube channel, you see me? Yeah, so anytime I see them nice things in nice street, especially our black people are hustling and thing, I normally just give them a nice promotion, so any people who drive through and a pass through can get a chance, you can stop and say, see up on Jamaica Walk By, more support the thing, you see me? So massive right, so we're up on the outskirts of Annotto Bay, and as you can see, it's like a small mini mart there right so far, because me I see plate, me I see broom, me I see fork, spoon, every little thing. And over here so on the other side, you know, for the car man them, I don't know, windshield wiper fluid. You see about 3 different brand right. So what is again? Power steering fluid. You know, help me man, you help me no man, you go so. See it look good. You have your engine oil, them transmission oil, and me see a most different grade and all of them things. So if you drive from a far distance like we from Kingston side and your vehicle run out of oil, you can't stop right so before you reach Annotto Bay. Look good, right on the coastal highway with it. You understand? Look good. You can't miss a shop here. So you can just stop, get your windshield wiper fluid, your engine oil, your brake fluid, all of them good things there, and you're good to go. Allow me I tell? Yeah man, and if you're hot with it, you know, just buy one of them rag and wipe off your face. If you're on a sweat and you can't get the whole steering good, see that? See steering up here, look good now man. Yeah, so big up every time I teach a mad love, mad respect. See, I'm going to show them what Annotto Bay look like in our time, you understand? Yeah, blessings and love, cool? That is it. So massive, it's a great start. You understand, look good. Yeah, that is a school in operation again? Okay, that is it. So that look like it used to be a basic school. Yeah man. So yeah, massive, as we move through, as we roll through, nice and easy. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. Blessed me teacher, respect. How cool it must have been to have your house right here, so on the side of the road and behind the sea. Behind the house is the sea. Oh my word. It's beautiful. So as I said before, we're on the outskirts and we are walking in at the town. So you can see exactly where we are walking from and get a very good description of Annotto Bay. You understand? Yeah, no joke, no doubt, man. Yeah, manners. Yeah, so look like power wash. Yeah, nice. So we take with time go through. So massive, if you don't realize that sometimes I don't talk, you don't know it's all about the natural living, the natural ambience, and so people can get to see what go on. You know? Yeah, and catch a feel. That is it. And let's go. We'll move through. Annotto Bay massive, let's go. Annotto Bay, holding a vibe. And this is it. See? So massive. That is it, my teacher. Boy, you got trouble here, now we're not trouble here, you know. You understand? Oh, you mean, say, are you got trouble here, you know? Big up every time, massive. Mad respect, my teacher. Big up, big up. That is it. Right, true. Foreign sweet, boy. Yeah, bro. Yeah, you don't see up there yet. You're not going foreign it. Boy, you are rich. Fire. Yo. Bro. Me say, you can't make it up, brother. You see what I mean? You know, we try for my visa so much time and I don't get it. So they finally give me a bus and I'm going to put up there. Blows. My body, I'm trying to come back here.
Yo,
yeah,
I love watching bloggers.
Yeah, bro.
Full of energy to fuck.
I really think my own. Yo, me tell you something about foreign, man. Me tell all that man them. Listen me. What thing?
Yeah, man.
If you lose 100,000 of your visa and not get it, go back. Because you see the brother, be a free AC out and do that. I go up there now one time, we have be a free AC dog. You step out and do it, you say blows and skirt. Free AC.
You see what I'm talking
I'm singing on my thing, man. But me I tell you that. See, I know my record is so that's a good vibe. That's something do me thing, bro. Me can't make it up. But me I tell you, me G. Me tell put up there, I'm not busy when no man wants to say, boy, I'm frightened Friday or in Friday, I never see concert, I don't care, I care zero, because guess what?
No, man, I have vibes, man, I have vibes.
Brother,
you know?
when my uncle used to tell me, say,
why should I dream for that, you know?
what? I say, from me, I pick everybody, I got airport, and me have to go to car, then go and turn back on me yard. You see, when me have to go now and go up on the plane myself, me I say, some people about me, I love all the plane ride, me love, brother. And everything. Jesus Christ. Dog, I can't explain.
Right now, people that say I lie about this and the first I'm going to come see them and walk.
I tell us, me go there, this is a man I do what me not do.
But man, me not sleep.
By himself.
Me not sleep. Yo. If the first yo, if story already. If first day me reach a foreign man, I say, yo, you're not tired. Me say, tired? Oh, you been tired? I will sit down there the 3 hours up and plane. You mad? I say, no man, get a rest, man. I say, oh, you not say foreign me there. You think I Jamaica this? Outside. That's what I because man and brother, me I say, man never tell me say building then tall. Me I say, I go see me say, brother, me back call Ben so. And we can't see the vibe in me. Yeah, bro. I don't vibe that.
Subscribe to your channel, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, why your Instagram?
Money Arts.
Say that again?
Money Arts.
Oh, Money
Arts.
Arts.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, graphic designers. See and blows and do tattoo and everything.
No, man, video.
Oh, videos. Oh, see that? Money Arts.
Yeah, man.
Hey, me know say I'm a real generous. I see you know say I'm a DJ.
Yeah, man.
Come in, artist. How are you, man?
Man, I'm up on the video.
Artist. Make it. You go for your songbook. Yeah. So right now we have Money Arts. Yeah. So all of your graphic design and them thing they deal with.
Yeah, video show.
Oh, just video.
Yeah, video
like Extreme Arts.
Yeah.
Blows and skirts.
Extreme Arts too.
Extreme Arts, I'm a brother. Oh, you mean you see me there for the X? If you look good, look in that early video them. Extreme arts man, say him come and find with me too. Right through. And then man, I can't go man and reverse time. I said we are going to find train, we check it out. I said this a train not too pretty. I see him think that man. Yeah man, Shensi at Taurus right all. Maybe when the bright light started, then I'll shoot that to man.
What by more, I do my little business in the car.
Can we just turn up a business over there? You know so we can't touch us, so we don't show. Look good now man. Look good now man. Forward over here, man. Come in over here, man. You married? You married yet? You married yet?
Yeah, man, I'm married, but I'm divorced.
Oh, you're married and divorced. That means you're up on the market, man. Because with the vibe and energy, and to white girl that see and say, yo, that big man never see them by the corner. Come in, man. I'm foreign more see him, So, when they look and say, yo, a big entrepreneur, they're going to say, him, I like a brother like that, you know. Yeah, man, so, look good.
Try a thing, you know?
Oh, you can't say this a try a thing, bro. Because watch out. Look yo. Look there. Look how good this. Look there. How we are talking about watch out. Cheese and peas. Look good. So massive this man have up all of the big business thing them and a DB thing this year. Yeah. For the thing them backly right and the fragrance them a shot and a joke thing. Look good. Look and clean man. You see no trash? You know say every man is a man a clean. Look good now man. And I shot this year. Cheese and peas. Look good now man. We are going to go in there now. But we could talk about yourself a little bit. They're on Instagram it. You have to put, show him some video on Instagram. See me I say? See all the artists forward again and now. So massive, from fabric softener to bleach to all of your cleaning agent them. The general, you see me a reason with the whole time down at Annotto Bay. Alright, that's up on the outskirt. You understand? So from before you're touching Annotto Bay, just look for it, Liquid Master.
Yes sir.
The man say my Liquid Master.
The Liquid Master.
That is it. You know no number of people them can link because some of you, you're bridging them out.
3125591.
So 3125591.
Yes sir.
That is it. Remember 876 in front of the number. So it's 876 32. So go again.
3125591.
That is it. Oh you mean? Now you see it on the screen too. You understand? I remember Money Arts over here so.
Money Arts man.
On Instagram,
yeah.
TikTok too?
Yeah man, Marnie Arts.
Marnie Arts. So massive all of the DJ them down here, so the singer them, the big business they want commercial, they want music video, see me? Marnie Arts. No joke in Annotto Bay, no play. Yeah, what the artist got? Artist! Artist no want to drop what go on. But yeah. Eh?
Today.
We are drop it if not today, you will see it by weekend. No joke. Fire. We are going to shop. Jaja no look good now man. Figure that. You understand the mini mart out here. Wholesale. Look good. Look good. Look good now man. See shop here. Already we ready. Mini mart, wholesale, everything. Nah man, look good.
I want DJ that door.
Yeah, DJ Asthma Pocket 3. Cheese and peas look good. So massive everything.
Yeah, boy, suck me give all them peanut butter and them thing there.
See what I say?
Support rare.
And we ask some free gift for the house?
Yeah, man.
I don't want normal G this one. Jaja no.
Yeah, man.
So, but you travel enough?
Yeah, man.
Because we can see them thing there, we see foreign thing like you know, we go foreign, go buy out there and just send out the barrel. So that's how you know, say, me up there, me not tell no lie, you know. All place said that you.
Right on the place.
That's it. I can't wait to go back and meet them.
Yeah, man.
Wallah, let me try sister, touch me, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, come on. How for dolly this? How for dolly? You go on. Indian, blessed respect. Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Vibes, man. We are saying, man.
We are shot back, we are going on Annotto Bay. We are going to show them what go on.
Yeah, man.
Man, yeah, we are going to link up, you know.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Good vibes. Yeah, man.
Extreme, yeah, man, I big you up. You don't know a thing, go loud. Oh, you mean? So see that? Remember to call the number on the screen and show it him and make you know. All them bridging them from high school. We're going to see him and say, who that? And give him a link. So blessings and respect. We're outside.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
man. Thing massive. Look good. Annotto Bay. We're going to do the whole light town. We're so forward. Figure that. What a vibe. What a energy massive. No joke, no doubt. Look good. Jaja. Yeah. Woo! What a vibe. I feel like I would reason with the general them for the whole day, bro. Good energy, good vibe. Annotto Bay with there now. Money Arts, big up yourself every time. You don't know the general too. Liquid Master. Liquid Master. Big up yourself, my teacher. Respect for you always. I watch a video of them. Yeah. My friend, hello. Can beg you subscribe to my channel. Jamaica Walk By. Only goodness we are doing. Whoa, your ear come out. Can't touch it, make you seal it. Make your blessing start right so that is it. Jamaica Walk By. Me Dolly, how you so decent?
No, I'm not a dolly.
You're not Dolly?
No.
Oh my God, well, me swear someone Dolly this car. Boy, I come like I Dolly them and then touch the street. Everything just shot. I love the hair.
I'm not dolly.
Me always compliment the hair, the good hair that me see it. You mind me can catch your ear?
Yeah.
Cheese and peace. Look good. Are you do it or you have a designer? Over there, sir. Loads of remember pine in the shop. Look good. Nail take and ear just in there. So massive she come right out. Look, hey, Mr. Me Jamaican woman them just look good, sir. Good, sir. Ah, you see it? No one, Dolly. You come talk about you and Dolly. See somebody over there so saying too. All right, Dolly. That is it. Jamaica Walk By. Yes, I'm doing a Jamaica Walk By. So we're doing an extensive tour of Annotto Bay on this episode. You know what I mean? And I'm going to ask if you wouldn't mind, I can give you a shout out to your Instagram. A shout out because I know say, if you're not taking yet, my man, a man them on the channel I go kill me if me not get your Instagram. Big up my teacher.
Listen, I'm not big fan social media.
Alright, I channel that. Oh, Mr. Say subscribe. Nice and easy. And I don't know. Sometimes them ask me, how me approach somebody to make them stop and talk to me. You can tell me tell them why you stop a while ago to talk to me. Come in, would I want to know too. Tell me why you stop and talk to me a while ago. Her, it was persuasive, so she stopped. And then me look clean, me look decent, like me not in no trouble and them foolish there, don't it?
You look beard.
Me look beard. Touch me that one, yes! That is it. And we can tell her, say, you look like you're beard from this morning. You look like you're beard from this morning, I know you're still in the shower. You're clean, bad. That's how I stay my mouth sweet.
Really?
Down in I told you, I go?
Yeah.
We are walk going I told man, you can maybe pinpoint to look a spot. My friend, I come circle your spot, you know. You understand? And we are going to turn up the business. I want to D&K auto parts. All right, then we soon come. Remember me tell you. We are going to walk with the dolly. She come right out. Annotto Bay. Yes. Big up somebody there, my friend.
Oh, big up Desert Rose Restaurant and Bar.
So that is Desert Rose Restaurant and Bar.
Yeah.
You hear that? And who said that?
Rochelle.
Rochelle. They don't know, sir. Massive, her name is Rochelle. Give me the Instagram because me not, even if you don't use it too tough, man.
Alright. I'm not big fan of social media, so I'm not big fan of social media.
You see after that video, yeah? You go big.
Why?
So you have to go use it because if you want to give me the supporters, them are coming over there to support you and follow you.
But I don't care for social media like that.
For real?
Yeah.
So maybe this is the opportunity for you to start a little business or them little thing that you come and see you. You look like a girl with a dream where you probably want to start your clothes business, your this business, your rich business. Talk to me, you can use it at time now. Because decent people like you when you outfit talk to people in the street, very manners, very polite and all these things. Here's a people person. You have to make it. Are you rich already?
I'm not rich.
You're probably rich already, man.
Rich in a God blessing.
Rich in a God, look good now, man. Lord of mercy. This is rich in a God blessing. We see it. Massive, you just comment in our comment section. So, you see it. Yes, massive. So, Annotto Bay. Beautiful. Rockstone now, my dads.
Yeah.
That is it, man. Look good. Annotto Bay. You are so nice. Very beautiful personality. I just want to say thank you for talking to me. And I hope that you will have all the richest blessing in the world. You understand? Remember, Jamaica Walk By on Instagram too. So if anything, you can just send me a message on Instagram so I can find a page and me tag you. You understand? Right. Blessings and love and be safe always. I love the hair. I use inches. Inches. Blessings always. You hear my friend? One love. And thank you for subscribing. That is it. Go through. Oh, you mean? Massive, me know that I want me to talk to her for all day, but I can't do that. She have things to do. You understand? No joke. As we go through. Oh my word. What a lovely start. Yes. Let's do it. Wow, what a lovely start. What a lovely vibe. You understand? Yeah. Why, King? Someone live like you in a ras. Jaja know, Jamaica walk by here. Big up yourself, my teacher. I wouldn't mind come catch you at them at the year. You married yet? Me can't make 2 white girls take you away. You afraid of camera, you're artist or not? You afraid you're artist? Let me know if you come over there, man. Jesus Christ, I'm glad me all in say something, man. We try to get them, my teacher. Where you get? As a matter of fact, in general, I say climb over. Make it climb over. You can't see artists, son. So, mad respect. Jamaica walk by YouTube channel, you know what I mean? We walk and showcase the natural life in Jamaica. Bless up with people, them, all of the good things, them. You understand? So Jamaica walk by. You understand? So we are doing an extensive tour of Annotto Bay today. You see me? So from me passing and I say, yo, the Rasta are clean. You understand? If we get a chance to video him, we can send him a foreign, go make him last. Cause we have to send the Jamaican, you know, Jamaican jeans all over the world. Yes, sir. So that's how we did this. Because you see your father with the Rasta and I have a nice baby run and say go and groom you down in the evening. You're living like a king. Yeah. You understand? No joke.
I tell you.
Yeah, so you know them are going to tell me, say, we need to make your artist give you a one tune.
Well, I hear me. I tell you this truth, you know. You see, to all me here, I deal with that now. It come like a whole heap of pressure in my ear back here, you know. You see
beat, you go beat me now, if you don't give me nothing in my line, you know. I sing it to you, know. Oh, yes. Hey, we sing anytime. Yeah. So I feel your time we shine and now, you know. Boy, you must tell him to give me a tune, man. Tell him to give me a tune, man. See me and take seat, you know, man. Look at the man tattoo them, man. He's a real artist, this man. Look good, no, man. Look at man living. Look at man living nice son. Look at man living nice son. Cool and deadly hairstyle, I do. And the shade. Watch it. Look like he had just done run, exercise, relax. Look them fresh. The people don't want a tune. If I'm a line, we want.
By TV, you hear me? You see, next time you drop in,
yeah,
go see me in the street, man.
Alright, you give me Instagram. Shout out the Instagram where we can find the music and thing. Yeah, if we get that there, we know say them are going to follow you. $2 they want to take you away. Yeah, man, I said, but the whole heap I use to send girlfriend and man and they rate me like Jesus. I said, boy, are you make me find my wife, you know? And my wife find me, you know? I like mommy. You see all you run this I do here, you're not on Instagram too. We are sending the whole lot of girlfriend and some place and some part. We can't just do a Jamaica, so.
Yeah, sir.
All you do, you know? Yeah, man.
It's a talented place, man. You see,
Annotto Bay.
Enough artists, man. You see me, enough DJ, man. Me I tell you
That is it.
A real way, man, and a good walk here walk, man.
Oh, you mean? Me rate your energy do a fire. No joke thing.
Yeah, go see them on the road, man. A college, man.
See there.
Enough artists, man. DJ acid in a place I'm come from to, you know.
That is it.
Man,
Who?
Ninja man.
You see me?
Jaja,
And I yes, a Ninja man originate.
Berisa man.
Berisa man, determined.
Josie Whale.
Josie Whale, all of them. You see me?
See, y'all tell me something when we never did know.
Yeah, man. So, it's a talented place, man. Capleton and the whole of them. You see me?
Jaja,
Paned and the whole of them. You see me? I say.
What you mean?
Yeah, man.
Real energy.
Man. You see me?
So, I pay me to pay she if you start out my ear, though. I dep on the house. I come here, you party now.
Right, and if you're there, you think we start out.
Yeah.
Just to walk by TV alone.
Yeah, that is it, man. You mean? We rate the vibe.
No joke.
I just a while ago, me down there saying, I tell you, say, Master, my name is Master, no, Liquid Master. We sell liquid and thing down there, so. And you don't know Money Arts. Buck up in a Money Arts down there, so I get the man, I watch the channel and I say, yo, when they are foreign and a video foreign, they might watch the thing, so I have to big them up, so. We see that thing I grow the right way. We're up on the road for 200,000 subscribers, so we almost reach. So we are going to do it. What the artist name again?
Yo, a stunt man, you know.
Stunt man.
Yeah.
You understand? So you know, it's a epic artist, this, you know.
Yeah, man, we awesome, man.
Oh, you mean? We have a reason.
We have to pull out.
Cheese and peace, no, man.
Way, man.
That is it. Boy, I live good. Blessings and respect. So, all I must even hear him name. So, you can follow him on all like social media, them stunt man. Check out him music and all them thing there. Yeah, every platform.
Quick and fast, man.
No joke.
Man.
Oh, you mean? Godfather run this a silent, but yeah, man, you live. I hope me can live to see all your age, you know. You understand? Because your life I run and now, you know, cause like nothing no sure. I like me, you big up every time, man. See there? Yeah, you know if you want to grow no year upon fear. Any day, I'm brave enough to do that in a barber and see me. Because I got one barber shop over there and the man said 15 beefs to trim me. I said, Jesus, peace, because I'm going to go back and me, I go and rub it.
From about 2010,
yeah.
I got a barber shop, you know.
Yeah.
I have a virgin in a barber shop in Portland and they forced me to trim. So So I can't wait if I have money. I'm going to trim. I'm breaking up because it's a fungus in my head.
Yeah.
I told me they work on that girl seat just like a pretty child years look. It's a one side of my head. Every month I doctor said to see if it get better.
Yeah, you know.
From that, I'm working on the barber shop.
So, you know, a remedy for that, you know, bean leaf. But you have one monster one in my head back to you, know. And it take me a while until somebody come and say, bean leaf, you have to rub it with every morning, man. Like, rub out the bean leaf in your hand and rub it. And it get rid of it quick.
Mr. Brandon, I'm not working in the barber shop.
Yeah, man. It's a clean shave. Clean head, clean shave.
Yes, man.
Yeah. How old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm 57, man.
Judge, I know. We see who guess that, so that means I have got ball made. You understand? Yeah. You know me, the Rasta to you know. I'm sitting man, a piece of stress take me in a life, brother, because like all ear for me get heavy. But that's why I free up. So, yeah. I saw you to you, man, so big up all of my Rasta bridging them, all of my family, them right across the world, just a vibe, just a energy. We can't make up love, we can't make up realness, we can't make up real energy in Annotto Bay massive, you understand? So, all the people them, when they see how the place look, we are walk through, come on down, you know, support the business them in Annotto Bay. You don't know, have a vibe, guard the river them, and all of them things there. You understand? So touch it, you don't know. Big up and respect. You're not an artist neither?
No, sir, I'm not an artist.
An artist. Alright, my teacher. Big up man and love. That is it, bro. Keep on and tell them, I hope them learn. And we take it in because I tell them, say, one day we all shot next, as a man said, the next 3 generations down the line, nobody don't know we. All the house you work hard for living at. And some people you probably don't even know living at. That me I tell you. Next 3 generations, brother. And we done for this. Remember. Yeah. Not even one night. See? I tell you, I go back up on my family them the other day and none I look up in them, I don't know them. And them don't know me. And I them born and grew. So what that tell me say? Yes, bro. So blessings, so take it easy, respect your artist. Stuntman, right? That is it. Him name easy to remember, so I don't know it goes Stuntman. That is it. So all of my friend them, my foreign friend them, the ladies them who don't like him, see him, they take him, Stuntman. Him gone. That is it. Outside with him. Annotto Bay. Look good. I said, but I don't know, say summer work. Port Anchor Lane. Outside. So we have a police station on us, so. Blessed me teacher. Yeah, massive, we can't make up this. We just a whole vibe, we just a go through. So we have the Annotto Bay police station here. Look good. As you walk through. So blessing to everybody who just joined right now. Thank you so much. Please me ask you if you like the video. Do like the video right about now. And make we do it like that. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. So this is it. We're just walking through massive. We're not too long start, so we're not that far. I will just make a little stroll through. Decent. You know it. Annotto Bay. Hold on. What me a pass by? Hold on. I'm going to bust the porch and find something for you. Alright. Alright, see it. Big up yourself. So you get more than what you asked for. We outside. Look good. Greetings. I just hear so. Alright. So we just get some real vibe, real manners, greetings. No, YouTube, Jamaica walk by. Yeah. No joke thing. So we are do a full episode for Annotto Bay today, you see me? Yeah, man. So we are trying to get it right. Because you don't know people them from down and that one is a requested video, so I try to get as much as I can so them people them from that side I can get to see it, you know? See it the right way. Run at the fishing village and all them things there. You know what I mean? Outside. But no good door. And I go and take it easy. Jesus and peace. At least I feel the sun. Me I walk nowadays and I have to try to get shelter. Yeah, me teacher manners. We say I set up for your business to go through. I mean, rock store. Oh, I blow them blow off. Oh, you have your work cut out for you. God no. Yeah, massive. Annotto Bay. We're there. Woo. What a vibe. Huh? Yeah, YouTube. Oh, you say you watch the channel too? Brother, let me tell you something, man. Me never see them sitting in Jamaica yet. You know, that the place, you have to watch it. For really see. You think Jamaica walk by. Over them places, man, it's like drugs. The people that do it brawling in the streets, so tell them turn zombies in the street. Yeah, if you search that, you'll see Jamaica walk by come up. Yeah. Trust me, man. I shot this video I do on the channel. I couldn't stay there, so my teacher. Afraid. Yeah, massive. So big up blessings, Annotto Bay and thing. See, you depend on it, say I see what I go on with Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Respect here, my teacher, for watch the channel to Zin. Blessed. Oh, you mean? We I go through. Jamaica walk by. So, Annotto Bay, I not go around here, but the sun down here, it is windy. Let me see if I can explain the type of temperature. It is windy, see? But with the wind, it is super hot. Like the sun shine down on us. You understand? That is the exact feel you get when you walk through Annotto Bay. You see me? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. As we go through decently. Woo! So I'm stressing it. All I massive them were just a giant. Good evening. That is it. Your business, my friend? Oh, we can't come get some promotion on Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Oh, she a clean up. All right, my friend, take it easy here. Because I would like to send all of the massive who watching the channel down at Annotto Bay to come and support your business, you know? Yeah, that is it. I mean, like your smile. You know, as a matter of fact, I'm going to stand up right at the front this and talk about it nice spot. Massive. Yeah, man, no, man, she do her thing. I don't catch what she do. Because it's good to see me, then she say she clean. So, massive, you can see. You understand? You see that nice little ends right there, so they pretty them at the front. Yeah. The lady they turn and give me a smile a while ago, me have to turn back. Nobody smile to everybody where they say, no, because they have done them money. You understand? Look good. You understand? So she a clean up right now, because you know cleanliness is next to godliness. And we can say from right, so me I say whole heap of nice liquor and beer things, so no come run and so come support the shop here. If you not pass through Annotto Bay, sit there, look at the taxi stand there, look good. Look good. As I switch at the taxi stand there, look at she located. The lady with the pretty smile, just ask for her. See her there? Yeah. Big up yourself and go and clean, yeah? And we circle you. Me always keep my word. Bless up here. See. As we go through. Blessed. Blessed. Alright, remember go through here, sir. Yes, so black up. It's a vibe, it's an energy. She said she a clean up. So me just stay up and far and just stay with it. But me say she turn on and give me a smile, boy. Me tell her say if everybody think you smile like them, the boy. Whoa, them business sell off. Annotto Bay. Yeah. So we do this one calm and easy. It's a nice stretch. I want if people to get a very good description of what Annotto Bay look like. Yeah. It's a beautiful town. Annotto Bay. Blessed, blessed, good day, good day. Alright, we have over here Annotto Bay tax office. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm sorry we're closed today. But yeah. Blessed. Oh, it's another. What? Free money. Look good. Me no pass money on the street. $5 outside. Can't grow this up, man. None of this, so I make it $5 then grow up on the concrete. Eh? Working on my pocket. Oh, you mean? We don't pass money on the street. A man just begged me a while ago, me give him money, you know, and I take up $5 off the street. Summer program. So, let's see the market over here as we go through. Let me see what it looks like. Woo. All right. Greetings, greetings. Yeah, we'll go through the market. Good day, my church sister. Blessed. Greetings, greetings. Yes. But like when I get a little coolings around here, man. Jesus and peace, me a burn up. Yes. I place not look so lively, man. We need it for livelier than this now, man. Blessed and respect. Greetings. I'm Fabian, Jamaica walk by. We just a walk through. Big up my church sister. Take it easy. And we can drop some blessing for you. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah. So right now, you know, we're there in Annotto Bay massive, so this is what? These are the market house, don't it? Lord have mercy, dark boy, I want some light. You understand? So we're there in the market house in Annotto Bay. Just a few persons in here. Missing a couple of free, nice church sister looking all good, very polite ladies. But yeah, this is the market house. Make we just walk through. Fire!
Fire.
You good?
Right.
Big up yourself, man. Greetings.
So where you say,
Jamaica walk by. You understand? How you sweat some man, where you work on?
Oh, you are going Rasta, we moving on, Rasta, we work, you know.
It's a Rasta fi move, Rasta fi work.
Yes, so Rasta keep moving, and Rasta keep sweating, and Rasta feel, you know.
Yeah.
That's the one.
You fit though, you can see it in the gym, man.
I know, so Mr. Wheel up this, you know.
Mr. Wheel up, you're an artist.
I'm an artist, man.
You know, so you have to go drop something. Hold on there, man. You have to go drop something, you know.
Right. Mr. Wheel up.
Mr. Wheel up.
You go up on TikTok and you get that on YouTube. And you know, so me have 10,000 more people me follow and now follow me.
Yeah.
So going, and the wheel spell W-E-E-L. So Jamaica walk by. You lucky if you walk up on Mr. Wheel up, so me go drop something for you.
That is it.
Boom. They say me in the marketplace, in the marketplace. Marketplace in the marketplace. So they want the market to fix up. I mean, I love how the market look rough. Look how the market look, the market needs set up. Yo, in the marketplace, in the marketplace. This is what they are talking, not to be a market. They want to fix up. But the people, them move proper up in the market. Now, to listen to me shot. Right now, so you see me stand up in the market. The market right now, so nobody know in here, so. And that's what I mean, so without shot. So the market want to fix up and secure it. Look how the market look.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, dull for real, man. No light, me not see no light place. Set away. You can see how people move out all and stall. Empty, we can play football.
Alright, I'm going to tell you, say, so what? Authority, mayor, councillor, want to market, fix up.
Oh, you mean?
Fix up, and that we say.
Alright, so you have tune for your girl, them?
Enough tune for
I'm going to sing a line. And then you just do the DJ part. See? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Got to tell you how you draw
Easy,
It's easy.
Well, this is what the world have been waiting for.
Yeah.
This is Mr. Wheel Up and Jamaica Walk By. Walk by, Mr. Wheel. See how Mr. Walk By.
Got to tell you how you draw me. Yes. Ever since the day you came into my life now, baby.
Hey.
I have am lonely and I want somebody. I am lonely, yes, it's so amazing to be loved. Follow you to the moon and the sky above. Sing on now, Rasta.
Jamaica walk by, say me love the girls good, love the girls good.
Hey.
We me love the girls good, but do as them should. But a little girl in my neighborhood.
Hey.
What is her name? She says she named Tull. And what she says she want to live in my neighborhood. See her the girl, do the girl, you know me? Neighborhood, me say me neighborhood. So can't you take me? Girl, take me closer, baby. Just take me closer and closer.
How am I going to pay for that collab there? Big up yourself,
Send
the man.
Send the money gun. Send off the money gun.
The man said, send off the money gun. Easy. Hey, where's the name again? Mr. Wheel Up.
Let me give my song now.
Yeah, give me one more and we'll go on.
Yeah. Yo, hear me now. Girl picking it. I wanna do it. This is Mr. Wheel Up speaking. It goes like this. Ow. Where's the speaking? Is it Mr. Wheel Up speaking? Yes, this is Mr. Wheel Up speaking. Well, Mr. Wheel Up, what want you do? Want you come push it up in my gut. Push it till it pop. Alright, that's you want. That's you go and get. Ooh, at the phone ring. Take it up. Oh, she call up. Oh, Mr. Wheel Up. She said, Mr. Wheel Up. Why you wheel it up? Why you push it up? Up in my gut. Then they push it up in our gut. Hey, push it till it up. Hey, here you get a clock. Clock like a dog. Baby, clock, so the girl just a clock. Baby, back a her. Kill her with the walk. What kind of walk? No, the roast dog. She said, Mr. Wheel Up. Why you wheel it up? Why you push it up? Up in my gut. I'm a push up na R and make it buck up na R.
Wheel up now, Mr. Wheel Up. Big up every time, it's a vibe. But it's always good to hold a little energy. You see, Jamaica walk by. We say they on TikTok as Mr. Wheel Up.
Mr. Wheel Up and YouTube as Mr. Wheel Up.
Yeah, I'm gonna check him out right now. I'm tired already. I'm not even starting. Energy buck.
Goodbye.
Right. Take it easy.
Jamaica walk by.
That is
Tell
it.
the truth, not tell no lie.
Figure that. We
Bye.
outside. Annotto Bay. Yeah. So my church sister them there now. When you see me there, I will vibe with Mr. Wheel Up. Yeah. Oh my word. We can't pretend happiness and joy. How much money in my purse? From the day that saw Mr. Wheel Up, I don't see nobody come by. So, you know what I mean? So, how are the leader now? Alright, see. Alright, you're the first one, the right, so watch me now. When you share up and just buy some juice. Or that they come like you buy some things off on the star. So if I'm sitting over here, sitting over here, I'm just gone. So one love, blessings always. So my mother selling in the market, you know. So I know the hustling thing, and I've been selling in the market for years, all over market. Okay. So I know that's something they go. It's stressful when you know say things them are go spoil. And nobody now buy, brother. Worse if I buy, you go buy them if you can sell them. You understand? Look good. Annotto Bay market, see ladies them, see scallion them, have tomato, onion, we have all the purple onion, sweet pepper there, so cabbage over there, so we have round red and we have red peas, we have carrot over there, so we have Irish, local and foreign, we have ginger right there, so see turnip there, so that is it. No joking, and that thing there right now, we have that thing at the back. Where the name again? Rose Almond, right? That is it, no joke, no doubt. And we have sitting in there, so right now, nothing egg. You understand? No joke. So massive come and support down here. The market is scanty. So all the people them who watch Jamaica walk by now, please I'm asking you to take a walk inside of Annotto Bay market whenever time you come here on a market day. Come right so them nice beautiful church sisters them in here. So Friday and Saturday on the day. That is it. No joke, no doubt, massive. So take a look and let's walk through. No blessings and respect here. Jamaica walk by. Nurse, I see you come over here, come by. Blessings, man. That is it. Let me see. Oh gosh, she look like a wedding ring upon her finger. She gone massive. So all I know where I say, yo, you now go to the nurse and find out the nurse married, so I'm gone. You understand? She off the shelf. Blessings. she repeat after me, off the shelf. Yes, I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. It's just a great energy in Annotto Bay. We not reach nowhere yet. And we are walk through. Jano Star, nearly an hour. And we not reach nowhere yet. So I'm just walking to let you see what the place look like in our time. And this is the back of the market house. You know what I mean? Yeah, so as you can see, the seaside down there, so make you just walk go down there. Whoa, Mr. Garbage Collector is taking too long for the garbage to take up. So, look good. Let's go, man. So, we're gonna head back and go back on the main road, but I'm showing you what this side looks like when I come through the market hole. So, as you can see, running, so it look like most of the people will come to market at the place and then get to the park. You see it? Oh, what an energy. Yeah. Blessed, blessed soldier. Big up every time, family. Alright, let me catch a piece of this. So, massive, you see them thing, you know. So far, when I learn, I think they use it to catch a crayfish. Fish. They use them to catch fish, so I always think of those lobster and thing that they use. These are big. So, these are fish traps. You know what I mean? Yeah. As you can see, some of them over here, so too as well. Yeah. Look good. So pretty much this looks like Annotto Bay fishing village, although the entire town is on the coastal line. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's just great. So you can see some big ones over there, you know, they have them boat and thing. Yeah, so the community are not supposed to out of fish. They have it right on the coastal line. Yeah. And these boats you can see they make them out of carbon fiber. No joke. Wow. It's just great. Let's do this, man. Big up, big up. Blessings, blessings as we go through. Alright, as we go through. You know what I mean? So everybody who is watching right now, please, I'm asking you to like the video. Please to like the video. If you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. No joke, no doubt. Please support the thing. Support the video. You know? To be a member, you can be a member to Jamaica Walk by subscribing to the link in the description to be a member for exclusive contents on Jamaica Walk by. You know, as we walk through, as we move through, and all of those good things. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Woo. Real Jamaica. The sun hot, boy. Yeah, man. Woo. Mr. Wheel up. Outside. Alright, gonna take it easy now. Zane, Mr. Wheel up. Yeah, man, you love how go on. Them are gonna tell you about it, man. See? Take it easy. Oh, yeah, my name left not right or so. I can see if I can find something there. What do you mean? Make it deep again. What do you mean? Something have to go on as a too. Something have to go on as a too, my sister. I don't want nothing but I go and buy it. Think place look too dead, man. Place look too dead, man. Come man. Sell, yeah man. Place look too dead, man. That is it, man. Sell out. Big up my teacher. Buy a power. All you to? Judge no. Where's that? Make you do it. He said buy a power. That sounds like a special. Alright, big up yourself. No say a word, man. Blessing. See? No go and do it. That Jamaica Walk by mother sell the market up to this day, so I know where go. Yeah. So, them two ladies there, when I did talk to her, I go through, man. You know, I try to just, it might not much, but the place look dull, so we have to try and kickstart the vibe, you know. Look at selling, look at here and there. I make sure, say, we go, so, more time of that with me, you know. If I don't want to give away money, you know, I have to go left it in a vehicle or something, because when I come out and I give away all of my money and not even realize it. And I can't help it, because you just want to give when you see it certain way, trust me. As we go through Annotto Bay. Woo! Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Annotto Bay massive. You know the copyright, so we have moved through the copyright and thing. Yeah. So we have a clothes store right here. Nice. You can catch it. You can call them too as well. Mad thing. Poster down here, so. And thing. Mad thing. You can go and lounge the round there, so too. Enough music I play, I not attack that. Yeah. Come through me, darling. Ladies, that is it. My church sister them outside herself. My darling friend, want me afraid of camera? Yeah. You just brawl out with it, yeah. With a good hairstyle, good eyelash. Good evening, no good do. Yeah, some nice church sister them out here go and have hustle and thing. See some nice African wear over here. Look good no man. Annotto Bay. This attire fit for the church, fit for the work, fit for all occasion. Look good. She have them. You understand? So if you never know now, you know. You not figure Ghana for this, you know. In there, Jamaica, look good. I'm not Ghana with it. A Jamaica, Annotto Bay. Look good. Figure that. Oh, come through, my friend. That is it. Look good. So I turn on the business. Grandma, what you say? That is it right here, so. We don't have to go to Africa. The African wear is right here. Nice, no joke massive. So all of my Annotto Bay massive. If you pass through and you want your work casual wear, your African wear, you can't stop right here. So look what she there. You can't miss this. Right side of the taxi stand. Right side of Spanish Fly Lounge. You can't miss it, man, right? More love and respect. Gonna take it easy here. That is it, man, outside. Yeah, man. We are going to spread the word. Annotto Bay. Yeah. We have a closed store over there, so. Teacher, you are on the ends? Oh, alright then, let's see a word. Look good. As we go through. Oh! Be your water road outside. Alright, make a pass on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, sell out. You see, I look for me like I say, like you want to say, God make him not come that side. Even. Yes, sir. Yeah. That is it. As we go through Annotto Bay. Good evening. Oh, it's not catch. Yes, massive. Annotto Bay. Alright, so massive, we talk about that cook shop here, that spot here. Hot spot restaurant. So massive, a while ago, you know, before me start the video, you know, I decided to me hungry. So we stopped down there and I said, want to tell me about one spot where we can stop and get some really sweet food, the man, we probably just done cook. And somebody said, come a hot spot and pint up here, so. So massive, we come and buy the food, and I tell you, say, the food slap way. So when I pull up a while ago and I look like a chef in there, they do, I say, you ain't no food. And the man saying, name out the menu, I tell you, say, brother. Yeah. Yo, right as a teacher pass, Mr. Massive, I eat a fried chicken and a rice and peas, right? I said, gone. So right now, I'm full of energy, my energy up. So that shop here, I end there some blast, you know, look good. Where chef there? Chef, you couldn't tell me say food bad. You can't send me them food if me eat and then I expect me now come back with the video place and turn you up, you know. You understand? You don't even know say Jamaica walk by, but right now you don't know what you do. Massive, me say me have to turn up the restaurant here. You understand? I'm not joking. Me say me eat one fried chicken and rice and peas right that's a while ago. And me say massive, it's not be a place. And you pass on, you want a food, stop at that spot here. Hot spot restaurant. I even have a fresh food. Me say chicken slap out teeth. You understand? Me say I want to eat some of my food and left a little bit. I couldn't left none. And the orange juice and thing I buy for my family. See all the cold fridge. You say you buy your food, you get your drinks, you drink right here, so. No joke thing. You have the pepper. I don't trouble the pepper still, but you don't know car. You know what thing go. But massive right here, so that food that slap way. The juice and fresh and things. So big up yourself, my chef, you go and go there. No joke thing. So right here, so I have my food today in Annotto Bay and I loved it. Food tastes really good. I park up right there so I couldn't move. I got to taste the food before I move off and I have to sit down right there and now I have a whole box of food. So, let me go seal it, touch it off. Let me seal it. Look good. Let me turn it. This is me seal it. That is it. Big up chef. Manners and love. See the menu here. So right now we have fried chicken. But I regularly look like fried chicken, stew peas, chicken and chips, curry goat, stew beef, curry chicken. Right, so see how one lady come with her mug. She come with her bowl for your food. That is it. Alright, that's our spot. Big up and thing, hot spot. Yeah, my teacher, mad respect. Yeah, we have to talk about that place. Alright, them I buy a while ago. And the food slap me have to sit down right in the van and deal with it the right way. Yes, my friend, I'll come out in your pink. I can beg you subscribe to my Jamaica Walk By YouTube channel. Alright, where's the... Y'all do it. Jamaica Walk By here. Bless up, my friend. Annotto Bay. Good evening. Yes, I. Yeah. Look good. Annotto Bay. J in over there. Oh, you mean? What a vibe, what an energy down by Annotto Bay. It's a good look. As you roll through. Yeah. So we have a supermarket over there. And a big woman I walk down there, so. Yeah, man. Great thing. Go through my teacher. That is it, we're outside. Look good now, man. One Jamaica Walk By. Big up my teacher, respect. Outside me there. Outside. Let's go. That is it, Isa. The business run there, sir. Jamaica Walk By, you know, me just a showcase Annotto Bay. You understand? What kind of business run there? Oh, I feel? Let me see what go on. Because some do it now, we have to turn up the spot, them in a who don't know, you understand? Yeah, massive, as we did it, so go on, oh, the place is nice and neat, man. Look good.
Hello. Yes,
I didn't say that about. Massive, see Dolly there, what's the shadow, Dolly? See me reach, you cook. Hey, you're a big chef. We can come for mine. What time is ship a land? Hi, hello. That is it. What you say? Ice cream? Alright. So, we're going to talk about that spot. You know, say, I walk and book over and she tell me about this spot. So, we're going to talk about it. See, there was a nice clean spot in Dolly that talk about. But look good now, man. Top shelf, lick and baiting. Look, go in there. See there? Runner says a nice little lounge too as well. There's a menu. Stew peas, stew beef, fried chicken. Yeah. I don't know black and white are my style and some home stay. Look, we turn it up. Are you here, Dolly? Are you see? Blouse and skirt, all the better. Big up every time, my teacher. Mad respect. And some of the people in Jamaica walk by and everywhere we go, it have a sell off. Let's do it. So, right here, so she that talk about. So, see the massive top shelf, pan shelf. You know what I mean? Middle class shelf. We have all the Visa, everything, the Magnum, all of the fine cuisine that you like. I mean, do all I massive them too. No like that there. That they look like a shrimp or starfish and fritters or chips. Cool juice over there. My friend, I can't get a water. Because right now I'm thirsty. So I could kickstart it by in a Frigidaire fridge. Yes. You're looking great, my love. Come true, that is it. How you mean? Good people. You feel the energy. How much your water like this? Alright, so much if you have a water here. Only $150 out here. That is it. I'm a bit thirsty. So, yeah man, I have change. Yeah man, so see that we are kickstart the band. Can you open it for me, my friend? Yeah. Bless up, nice little spot. So massive, see we reach the spot you should have talked about. What's the name of it again?
This place?
Yeah.
Desert Rose Restaurant and Bar.
That is it, Desert Rose Restaurant and Bar. Come choose one nice dahlia in there too, man. So, we're not good to go. How you mean? So, I'm just trying to quench my thirst because I've been walking. The sun is really hot and usually I know I'm gonna stop and get water and anything, but I am really thirsty. So let's do it. So yeah, at the place. Look good, reach out today. So here says the restaurant part though. No joke, no doubt. Let me go now full shot so I can't miss it. Right, that's up. Juice and thing. What go on, Ella? What can I do for the poor? My boss around the side, I'm sure enough. Big up yourself. You good? What do you want to? Let me know about me sure. My boss already. Me give you food around this a while ago. You can't trick me. My sponsor around this a while ago and you can't trick me. And at 20 and I ask you for me give about 10 times that. So you're good to go. Can't hustler. So yeah, massive, look good. Switch out today, look good. Nice and thing. So I get my water, I'm good to go. You take it easy, yeah? Mad respect. Yeah, outside. No, I must want one decent somebody that beat them at tune, you know. A Jamaica walk by, I can't turn up that place, yeah. Alright, man, it's a go on in. I beg you to turn it down a little bit. Yes, I mean, you go by my... How are you saying? Not foreign?
Yeah, man,
hold on, let me cut this water, man. Touch it, no, man.
Just get a visa, man.
Yeah, alright. See that we not tell no lie. Alright. Our control, let's select that. I select on the side.
Yeah, man, select that.
Maybe I'm going to turn on it a little bit. I could talk about that spot. Almighty to the tomb. Then play self and sell off. Look good now, man. We can't play because I know the copyright stay. Alright, nice and easy. Alright, make we switch this now. Alright, massive. See somebody who bought me up a foreign.
Silly, man, silly.
Yeah, big up every time now, man. Look good. Yeah. So right now, we woke up in a silly right now. In a Jamaica, in a Annotto Bay, as a cover Annotto Bay. But massive, I would have never expect this a shop here right here, so. Look good. Me say. I your son, you know, so me never ask you. Me never ask you for your son, no favor, you don't get. Listen, man. My teacher, big up every time, man, I respect.
Yeah, man, it's my daughter when I come on
your daughter. Blessings and respect. Here, my friend. That is it. So we could talk about that shop here. Yeah. Alright, so that shop here right now is like a world appliances shop. From food case to me see all things. I bought one of that from my girlfriend gift the other day. That thing there for do her foot and I do her foot myself. I just put the water in there and plug it in, and it comes with I buy the scrub things and all those things separate to rub off the foot, and the water does a bubble up and thing after you throw the liquid in there and things. So I know it. This shop of it, so they can buy it. From speaker to pot set, all of them things there, no joke. We see all cologne over here, so look good now, man. Camera, surveillance camera, look good. No, so everything there, so man, no joke, no doubt. But look on this here, LED solar lights. You understand? Because you know with so much sun out in Jamaica, we need this because it's free energy. You understand? No joke. Pot sets, phone case. Look over here, so. Every single phone they can think of is right here. No joke thing. See all the raffle maker and thing over there, so pizza maker, the blender, them all of them bullet type of thing. They look good now, man. No joke from phone. Hey, this man sell from a pin to a hanker. Mighty, look good. TV, jewelry, oh my word, look good now, man. Speakers and thing. That is it, my teacher, look good. So right for in Annotto Bay town with the massive and thing. Let me catch back in front time, I couldn't see no joke thing. Look good now, man. Look good. See it there? You can't miss it. As the truck part, you can't miss it, look good. Lord of mercy. Washing machine down to 40,000 of your washing machine. Are you gonna leave? Oh, you mean? Look good, you can't miss it. From fan, you know, see all of them at time here. The fan them off here run. No joke thing, man. Look good. Phones. The phones are here. Look there. All keyboard. But this man have everything, brother. Yeah, you don't think of an Indian store?
From a pin to an anchor.
Mommy not tell you, man.
Everything, man.
That is it, my teacher.
A gas store.
Look good.
You don't know. Monitor base box. Every little thing. Solar light.
I see man turn on and now when I start selling them, man. Look good now, man.
Pressure cooker.
Jaja, no. Look good. What? Me say.
Watch.
Things here, the ladies, them look good. Hey, things, everything there. Jaja, no.
You can still come around to see them man, but video and show them.
Be a thing round, so look good now, man. Lord of mercy, look good. All internet wire. If you don't know which part we get, so basically you want some name, all if I food, you probably can just come and ask it. Everything there, look good now, man. Nice. I always endorse and blast this, you know, I have one of these a couple of years, I'm going to tell you thing I kick like lightning, so I say me endorse and blast this, and the man have it. Look good now, man. Almighty to the tomb. Look good. Headphone. Jaja no. Yes, man. Hey, boss, I said video. Video. Look good now, man. Boxes from boxes, phone cases and things you can't miss. Look good now, man. Jaja no. Massive. Yes, I place there. Hey, you know, I want now one big sign on the front to say XYZ because that's how you want now. Because I want if you know what me there now, you know. Me have to go there go video me there show say, alright, yes, sir. You understand? One sign and over say, yes, sir. But massive endorse and blast. You look like a writer, so everybody at Annotto Bay buy the appliances and all of them things there, yeah. You look like a one-stop shop this. You understand? And you know say, a business are going on because my boy I sell right now, see him and I buy. What you mean? What you mean? Business. So, from my supporters, them, I know I'm going to spend time and do it thing properly. Because from the man saying, book me up a foreign, you know. I do it. Big up yourself, my friend, alright? Huh? Touch it. That is it, man. Everything there. See our tablet case, yeah? Look good now, man.
He's the one that you're watching?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by?
Yeah, that is it. Look good now, man.
Doing whatever you're doing to my father's shop right now.
Yeah, man, blessing it. She thought nice here, foreigner. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Oh, you mean? And she all tell me thank you for what you're doing to my shop right now. Whatever we do to your father's shop.
Yeah.
Make sure you stay by your father's side and go and help him, right?
Yeah.
That is it. No joke. My daughter everywhere with me too, you know. Yeah. I better say she one time me do the message and she also said, Daddy, I want my camera too, you know. Because they live where they learn.
Sure, man.
Oh, you mean? Look good.
Bad singer too, you know.
You know, so a while ago, I said, I sing to her. Some of my supporters about me say, wow, man, sing a man and be a sing thing and race. So I just get a rasta up there, a two tune and make him DJ upon it too. Oh, you mean? A blessings, man. So, only thing I say, put a sign so them know shall be forward to. And I we that blessings and respect. You hear that? Yeah, you married yet?
Not yet. So.
Not yet. Because God know, you know. Yeah, where your Instagram? You have a place for Instagram too?
Yeah, man.
Tell me the Instagram.
Just search up Silly Electronics and Cable Store.
Oh, Silly Electronics and Cable Store.
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to hear it. Silly Electronics and Cable Store. See, General, I'm clean. Clocks, pan feet and bass in there. You think a dibby skin that look good now, man? Look good now, man? For you see him? Oh, you mean? So all I foreigner them, I know the thing going on. Look like him travelers and probably a visa. A green card. I'm gone through already. Oh, you mean? You buy scale, man. You check your price. How much feet I know? Oh, just street price. You might always buy. That means if we get discount. Yeah. As we say, you're my teacher. Big up again and respect, you know what I mean? Respect for watch your channel and support Jamaica Walk by saying that is it. One love. Always blessings. Yeah. That is it. As we go through again. Whoa. Whoa. We're there. Yeah, man. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. What a vibe it has been. What a vibe it has been. Let's go through. Annotto Bay massive, Annotto Bay. As we go through, no joke thing. So we are still in Annotto Bay, holding a vibe, holding an energy, and the vibe has been perfect. It has been right. Yeah, all blessings to everybody down from Annotto Bay. It has been great. Trust me, no joke, no doubt. Love the vibe, love the energy, beautiful people. And I realize a lot of my supporters are down here. You know what I mean? And I love that. Big up to every one of you, everyone, each and every one of my supporters. Blessings, good day, greetings. I have shops here. Yeah. Hold on there, my friend. No say I eat still, but me point the camera down there so. Good evening. Me do an episode for Annotto Bay, you know, just a walk through and a showcase and a promote the people, them shops and stuff. See that nice little place and I see some young ladies in there, I feel like it would be a good thing. And they support in a wire. You know nobody running now. Oh God. Come to why all the beautiful people them always so shy, man? Oh no so shy, man. Who me go talk to tell me what I go on here so man? Look on the place, man. See the place well set up. Hey, me see all the people. I see patty in there, so taste this patty and thing. And my friend right there, so yeah, eat though. How food? How food? Tell me how food, man. Rate the food out of 10. Can look like you almost done enough. 100. Are you cook? Are you cook? See her there? I share the chef. That is it. So we're in this nice little place here and thing. The only one of its kind so far what me see. Because me see cake and all these goodies in this refrigerator right here. You know what I mean? This is the only pastry shop me see so far from me I do the walk, and oh, the prices over here are very wide and long. You understand? From cheese, crunchies, all of them things there, Shirley, everything there. Look, juice pan shelf, hot and cold, biscuits, sweetie, all of these good things are right here. Taste this patty and thing. But hold on, I want over there, so me I say like one bookshop. I want bookshop over there, so too. Come talk to me now, man. You have one. No. Wait, one door the round there, so too? Yeah. I'm gonna come round there. Look good. So see it here, massive. I could turn up the place. So this is the pastry shop. You can come here, so man, get your ice cream, your cake, and all these things. Are you all like it? As me reach it have the food. As me reach it have the food. And thing. Which part of your entrance? I don't see no entrance. We're around the other side. I'm going to go around there. Oh. So this is the bookshop around here, sir. So there's a bookshop around here. Let's go in there. It's a massive place, man. I thought it was small by looking right there, sir. Big up yourself, man. That is it. Well, they're going to be so happy that Jamaica Walk By stepped in today. So this is a bookshop. So we can officially call this place Annotto Bay bookshop. Yeah. See there? And the only bookshop here. So massive, this is a gem right here. Look good. So this is the only bookshop and thing in Annotto Bay. And to me, I strongly believe that everything you come here and ask for, it should be here. May I tell you, judging by how it big and almost something you see, what you probably not have. Can't see it, you can't tell me what you not have. It there. Look good. Oh my word. Things to the kids. This is to catch the door. Look good. Look on the bookshop here. Me see all this bookshop even have things to the kids differently. So they're going to school and all that, you need them bubbles, them clip, their bags. Look on that. They're all here. Even stuff for the teachers. Yeah, pens, pencil, everything in this bookshop right here. Oh my word. Scissors, crayons. Oh yeah. A very wide variety of stuff. I thought it was small, but it is massive big, yo. Look. Books. All different grades. These are like from primary to high school, don't it? That is it, my friend. I love your personality. Yeah, man, you know how to make your boss love you even more. Look good. Even stuff over here for the adult, you might can just go in at the showcase or want a gift sets, cologne, all them kind of stuff that is here. Nice and easy. Look. Clearly. So this is the only one of its kind in Annotto Bay. So we are going to call it Annotto Bay Bookshop. So it's N&E Bookshop. Oh, N&A. N&A Bookshop. And big up to the nice worker in here. That is it. Big up for make me come through and showcase the place. I know say the boss are gonna be very happy about this. That persons can get to know that there's actually a bookshop around this corner here. Because judging from the front, I wouldn't realize that such a massive place with so much variety of stuff is actually right here. I thought it was a small place, but it is pretty massive, even to folders and stuff, blank books, everything, toys, all of those good stuff is here. So blessings and love, my friend. Oh yes, I let in some my breeze, not sure. You hot, you know? From the dust. Yeah, just like close the door. Alright, touch me again. Mad love, mad respect here as we go through. Nice and easy. Wow. Yeah. So look good. I'm not switch out today. One dolly in there. So no good to go. Look good. This is the place. Check out the bookshop and buy all the things for your kids and all of that, right? That is it, my elder. Big up. Respect, man. No joke. Wait, is a big man spot. Easy off and thing. Much love and respect, man. That is it, man. Always. Don't know. See there? Have all a little small special I go and be right here. Life is nice. It's beautiful. Yeah, man. I wish that everybody in the world should know that life is beautiful and worth living. Not true? That me say every time. Sometimes I call them aliens, you know? I don't understand how they don't realize this is beautiful. I would do this any day, sit down right as I get like a cool breeze and thing. Yeah, man. Me tell a guy up there the other day, say, after 3 generations, nobody no remember me. And me also me work hard for bill. And some strangers, some people me even know living there. And things. So we have to just enjoy, we look at what we have and just go and just give thanks. Not true? That is it, my elder. Right, true. Big up all Annotto Bay, massive. Place is beautiful, it's nice as we go through. Look good. So that's the bookshop right there. You can't miss it. May I ask you if you support this bookshop and thing. Yeah, there's a digital down there so too as well. Bill Express and thing as we move through. Yeah. Blessings. Oh, I'm on floor there so too. See it? No joke. Oh, nice clean water place too as well. So filter water, you can get filter water to one bunch of thing and flow and all these great stuff. Blessings. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Annotto Bay massive. So over there is Annotto Bay Primary School. Wow, try finishing my water. So we have Annotto Bay Primary School over there and thing. So we're gonna walk and take a look by the school. So a lot of persons who normally attend this primary school can at least see the gate. You know, as you walk through. What a beautiful video. So, Ministry of Education, Annotto Bay Primary School. So this is the primary school. Blessed me teacher, respect. So this is the Annotto Bay Primary School. This is the school. Greetings, greetings, good evening, you know. So this is the primary school. So all the massive them haven't seen it for a long time. This is what it looks like. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Just a small little preview of the surrounding here. Do you remember this? Look good. So here so it's pretty much a quadrangle. Very nice. Just refreshing some memory of everybody who used to be attending this school, Annotto Bay Primary School. This is it, nice. Good evening. Yeah. Alright, let's move on. Alright. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, blessed love. See? That is it. Oh, there's one. See, can read Safety, virtue, discipline, achievement, and empathy. That is it. Annotto Bay Primary and Infant School. Mad love, mad respect. That is it. Great. Alright. Moving along. Yeah. I must say, you see them things that used to be the gems when me I go high school. Cause once you go high school, you know have the sweetie stall and the fried chicken stall and them things out on the front. You know say trouble. I like my friend. When me I go high school, you know, first place to stop before school started. You know. You look a sweetie, your fried chicken, your chicken back. All of them things that are gold. Yeah. None of them kids nowadays can't contest to that. Cause like we have a whole of the fun, man. Me I tell you, big up to Miss Green and me I talk about Millie. Me I talk about Miss Maxine. Me I talk about Juliet. You see what years me left primary school, I still remember their name. Jaja, no man, it says a lot. Yeah, massive. So we're there. Oh my word. So we stand up right at Annotto Bay school. Alright, take it easy. One love. Jamaica walk by here. Cool. Nicely done. What a garbage, you know. As we walk through. Wow. It's a vibe, it's an energy. Even. Wow. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. Can I talk about this business here? I'm doing an episode on Annotto Bay. Just showing people a lot of stuff that they probably didn't know was here. And this is a laundromat. How cool is that? Must let me talk about this. So as me pass a while ago, I think when they don't cost me with that one, you know, we got for one day and I think say I just foreign alone we have laundromat like this. But then our place, man, look good now, man. Yes, look good. So maybe step in a nice clean place here. So I see two nice church sisters inside here. Blessed love and respect. Greetings. Yeah. Nice. So massive, look good. So Annotto Bay has a laundromat. So all of the nice, decent people when they know, see one nice laundromat here. So if you feel like you just feel too tired today to wash and you can't be bothered to wash those clothes and those things, and you can take them to this nice laundromat here in Annotto Bay. You understand? Look at this. So washer and dryer and all these good stuff, and make sure your clothes them get nice and all fresh and clean, folded as you go. Or if you don't want them folded, just throw them in the bag after them wash and dry, and you come for your luggage and you're outside. You understand? Where's the number that persons can call? See how some package are nice right here. Wash look like them are wait for Miss Joel or Miss June and Mr. Brown to come and pick them up. So you're giving me a card or so I can. Alright, so let me ring out the number. So all the massive in Annotto Bay, and you want to get your clothes, your towel, your sheets and all those things washed and dry, here's the number you call. So the number, listen, so it's located Main Street, Annotto Bay. Right? Let the music pass. So this is located at Main Street, Annotto Bay, across from Annotto Bay All-Age School, or the primary school that I saw right around there. And the opening hours are Monday to Saturday, 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. On a Sunday it's a little bit different. It's 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You understand? Not open on Sundays anymore. So we're gonna get that part out. But the number to call is 876-473-7597. You can't miss. So just call them and schedule all your thing you want, your thing, or you come and drop off. And if you want, call them when you're done. If you pick up back, that is it. We have two nice church sisters here will take care of your clothes them as if they are theirs. You understand? See, they didn't even know this. So there's a laundromat, Annotto Bay. Check it out. So everybody where they know I say Rockstone and I'm middle day from 1 p.m. I don't clothes them. I wash them and can't bother come here figure out work. Can the money come, right? And the clothes. Blessings and respect. One love, one love. I hope a whole heap of people just start coming and say, no, sir, I Jamaica walk by, me see that place up and I decide to me have foul, because God knows I couldn't bother with the clothes. Yeah. Alright, bossy, so look good in the switch part me there. Yeah. Look good. I can keep this card, right? Yeah. That is it. Let me pocket it. Oh, you mean? Annotto Bay. What a lovely place. It's on a hot door, boy, but the breeze a blow. Woo! See it here again. One more time for the laundromat that I didn't know was here either. See there? Wash, dry, fold, press. Woo! All the good stuff. Look good. Can't miss it. I want to see how in there nice and clean and sitting. So bring it come. That is it. One love as we move through again. Yeah, man. What a nice relaxed town. Immature sister, what a nice relaxed town. Yes man, the place nice. See how you just own your business there? Look good. Beauty supplies. Mighty, I'm just gonna take 1 minute looking there so we can showcase to the people. You see people them nice? You see? She just come out open and just show. See there? All of the ladies them and thing. You can get your Brazilian ear, all these things right here. Ear products and things. Listen, she just open, look at she just come off her lunch. See? Just come off her lunch and she went right back to open, back to business. So all of the good here, them and all them things, you can get them right. So look good. Yeah. So massive, this video is all about things where you never know, now you know. So them places are there. Look good. Place neat and thing, well organized, well put together. I like it. Yes man, no joke, no doubt. So one of your nice ear drop off around there, so? Yeah. Can take up that one there. Cause from your seat, you know say that outer place based on how your place look. Yeah man, look good. See there? So massive, we just a pass through at the dolly. You have a number that persons can call and ask if you have a specific product or such here?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Sorry, 450 3763.
So that's 450
3763.
3763. Gold Rain. That is it. So the name of the store is Gold Rain on Main Street, Annotto Bay. That is it. Blessings and love, alright? Take it easy. I hope you get some serious blessings from this video.
Yeah.
That is it, man. You're welcome, my friend. Outside. And alright, as me a pass, she run out, you know, and come pull up our place and look how she just make me showcase in there. Nice. So this is the landmark right here. It's the Jamaica flag and thing as we move through. Beautiful. As we move through. What a vibe, what an energy. Yeah, man. Yes, sir, Lord. Bless them. Are y'all lucky ends? Hey, my darling friend. You're not afraid of camera? That's why you're not afraid of camera. I hope you're not afraid of camera. I do an episode of Annotto Bay and Jamaica walk by. You understand? I can't turn up the bar. You're afraid of camera? Listen, you're not darling, man. Alright, see me a video over there, so. Alright, big up yourself here. Let's see a word, man. Alright. Yeah. Outside. Only by music I play and thing. You see me, I say. But she said she don't want to put on the camera today. You understand? No joke. She will have vibe. No joke, no doubt. Bless her. As we walk through. Wow, what a beautiful walk. I think this is one of my nicest videos for a long while. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Something about this walk, I just love it. I just love this walk. For some reason, I feel so light and great. Even though the sun hot, but the energy, the vibe, the ambience of the people is a... Say that again? Yeah, good day. Oh, Jamaica Walk By is a YouTube channel. Yeah. Nice. I feel great. It's a nice walk. Oh, down the road you're going, right? All right. Big up on yourself, yeah. Outside. Oh wow, what a beauty. So this is called Bucket River. Wow. So we are right over Bucket River right now. Wow. Bucket River. Nice. Bucket River, Annotto Bay. Whew. I love this place. It is so subtle and relaxing and thing. I just right, I say you kick it some man. I say you live nice. Touch me up bad, big up yourself. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. You don't know, you're a local spot. Nah, maybe catch a local spot, man. Catch a local spot. Look on our spot how she does cozy. one little Malta in a hand, right at the bridge, the riverside there. You see how blessings great? And the bar across the road. As the morning says, I'm ready for another drink. Bless up here. It's Jamaica walk by. Mad thing. Life is beautiful, massive. What you mean? As we walk through. I don't even know how far I walk, but we're pretty much out of the outskirts of the town. But then now, down the road, you have another place. A little stretch where you don't know the thing. Look at my poor box. Look at my box, sir. Man. I mean, as we go through. Oh, beautiful. See another church here. Nice. So, let me show you now a little bit of what the outskirt of the town looks like. You know, where most persons live. A lot of persons live in the town still, you know. But I know I love the video, so let's just walk a little bit and see what else we can show, you know. I just love the real look of nature and the natural look of things, you know what I mean? Yeah. Blessed me teacher, respect, you know? Annotto Bay. So massive, we just a walk. Let's walk. Good evening. Good evening. That guy center camera, he's selling something. I mean, I tell you, he must sell. I must ball it out. It's a drive-in kitchen. Why I say my area from a mile is a drive-in kitchen. That is it, my friend. Yeah, man. They sponsor your meal today, yeah? Yeah, your meal for me today. Jamaica walk by, that's how we do it. Big up the teacher. Boyfriend of mine long let me hear you sell me. I say, me say, yeah, deal.
Lady, where you want? Yeah, fine and ginger, beef with and carrot, kettle and thyme, onion and pepper. Lady, how you want? I will say, can.
Get the TV
$50 for the nice corn. Sweet corn we sell straight in there. You know we not sell another corn,
Alright.
sweet corn.
So general
Because the people have a teeth problem in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We do the soft corn.
Collect
because
it.
the young girl them have they have teeth problem.
Yeah, and then they want to mess up them veneers.
And then they go put on grill for them mouth. Then they don't want to say big grill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is it. So
That
massive.
is it.
This is a drive-in kitchen in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You understand? So he might drive with him kitchen and him do a tone cry too. So if you lock up on your bathroom, you hear my forward. From way up there, somebody I walk up on me, I say somebody there in front of me I sell and he's selling. You understand? So him there I sell him sweet corn and beer, them good stuff there. Yes, he run back a change. And
Yeah,
thing.
the good soup there too, you know.
Alright, you way to keep your silver there, man. Give somebody else a chain, man. Somebody else there buck you up and no more you don't touch it, man. Seal it properly, man.
Yeah, man, see good
That is
soup
it.
too. Yeah,
See how
man,
the
the good
what kind of
soup.
soup is?
Yeah, man, coke
Big up,
and
come here, my friend. You there on Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We could give you Instagram a shout out, no, man. You can't shout out Instagram. Yeah, why Instagram?
Ali __.
Ali underscore.
Berry. __. Berry.
Oh, 2 underscore.
Yeah.
So it's Ali __. Berry.
Yeah.
So you go.
AALII.
Oh, AA. Oh, that's how you start. Make sure follow me on Jamaica walk by.
Alright.
And just shot me a message, me know say you me can tag you here.
Alright.
Big up yourself. Zin, go show me driving kitchen. That is it.
Lady, me want one corn me up. See corn man. Corn and soup.
Figure that. I want them you can try. Lady, see the man here. See the sweet corn man here. Corn and soup.
Corn and soup.
That is it.
Lady, yes, lady. Are you with that?
Grandma, corn and soup.
Lady, how are you? You don't hear me? You all the hearing? You not hear me myself? Yes, you me the top. Corn and soup.
Soup. That is it.
That is it.
You must have you can't make up them vibe in Jamaica, you know what I mean? No joke thing.
No joke thing, my father.
Big up our
Hey,
respect,
man, you know. Lady, all right, me call me neighbor over here. Say, lady, how you want? Me have corn and soup. Sweet corn, me have say, lady. Not the tough corn, we make you have teeth problem. Soft corn, all the lady without teeth eat my corn. All right.
That is
corn and soup. That is it.
See that? I'm going to try. Lady. Seek sweet corn, man, yeah.
Hello, inside here. Lady, how you want? See, man, the ugly man who sell the nice things. See him outside here, have a corn and a soup. Lady, just a minute out your time. Corn and
Soup. That is it.
that is it.
Corn and soup.
Alright.
One thing. Yeah, food in Jamaica, this nobody else. That is it. Big up yourself, you hear my friend? Just a open up. A Jamaica walk by, you understand? Blessings and love. You on Instagram? Can I give you a shout out?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, man, what's your Instagram? Love to hear.
Makewan. Thank you.
Say it again.
Trudian Makewan.
Chudian,
Yeah.
Makewan.
Makewan.
That is, I'm going to ask you to look me up on Jamaica Walk by on Instagram and just send me a message. Say it was you, so I can put your name on the screen, right? So persons can support the business.
Walk by.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk by. That is it. Big up yourself, Empress. Clean, come out. Yes, sir. That is it. See that. Welcome to HQ Sports Bar and Gaming Lounge. That is it. Right, that's how they look good. See it, yeah? Right on the outskirts, Annotto Bay, Main Street. Figure that. Big up yourself again, hear my friend? Good. One love, man. Boy, I tell you, I don't know, something about that video, I just love it. I love the energy, I love the vibe. Annotto Bay.
Smile for me, Jamaica, and I say smile.
I sing it too. Girl, smile.
Alright,
Big up
smile.
and love. That is it. Yeah, work me, G. Me rate the energy. Yeah, corn and soup. I said, lady, how are you are? See sweet corn, man, yeah. Corn and soup. Mad thing. So what we have over here? Catholic Church. Woo. Nicely done. Blessed, blessed, blessed. See? They have loads of shop and thing on this stretch here. Can I get a picture? Annotto Bay massive. There's a barber shop right there, so. What a vibe, what a energy, man. Oh my word, I feel like I could have walked forever down on this side. Even though the sun at the place, the breeze just a blow from the sea, so the cooling's just nice. I can't explain the temperature. You know what I mean? I can't explain it. I don't want you to hurt yourself right in front of me, you know. You understand? Big up yourself, my friend. Jamaica walk by. You understand? I like your color.
Yeah.
You come out eye nice sun. Yeah, you're Jamaican? Oh, you're Jamaican?
No, I am Cuban.
Oh, you're Cuban. My YouTube channel is called Jamaica Walk By. So I walk and tour and just showcase the beauty of Jamaica. You love it out here? That is it. Thank you for being here, all right? Love it. That is it. She's from Cuba. Nice. One love, man. What a beautiful video. Wow. Go up on them spotter. Look good. Nice. The beauty is just amazing. You see, we really live which part on a vacation. Lovely spot. Wow. So yes, massive. That's been a great walk. I was still a walk because I'm telling you, you see round the corner there, it's just breathtaking. So, I'm sure sound in mind. Let's walk. Welcome to everybody who just joined the video. Welcome to Jamaica Walk By as we walk and tour the entire world. You understand? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. Our beautiful Jamaica. Big up to everybody when me talk to. Please, massive, I'm asking you, if you're in the Annotto Bay area, you can support a few of these businesses, small businesses as well, and just give them some love. Oh man, me can't hold it. Me feel like me just want to walk over here, so. Me just want to walk on the seaside a little bit. Me just want to walk on this. The beauty of nature and everything is just superb. You know how much people can't do this right now? And we have the freedom to do it. Let me just walk this, man. Oh man. Let me just walk this. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Big up to everybody who actually watching this video, who enjoy the video and all of that. Let me just walk a little bit of this, man. And put my foot on the stone them and all them things there and listen to the water just a flow and all of them great things there, man. It is nice. Jah is good all the time. You know, my people there in some cool place right now can't experience this. And we just have it right, so people probably live here and don't even visit this place. You know, I feel good for just sit down right and just put my foot in the water and just easy. Oh my word. Wow, the beauty is just out of this world. Beautiful. Yes, man. God is good all the time, and all the time God is good, brother. Annotto Bay, no joke thing. Woo! Yes, man. Life. What a beauty. Look at my challenge as we go through back on the road. Wow. Wow. Jah guide over everybody's steps, you know what I mean? And some more time the road can rugged and rough. Look on it. Rugged and rough. But sometimes you can just go through. And more time the road have rugged and rough enough. That way there you can find place to put your steps. Firm steps, you know? That is it. Look good. It's amazing. It is amazing. Wow. So beautiful. So thanks to everybody who has been watching Jamaica Walk By, who has been supporting Jamaica Walk By. Remember, if you want to donate, you can actually subscribe to be a member. Be a member on Jamaica Walk By. It's like $1 and $2 per month for exclusive content, big up requests, a lot of goodies, you know what I mean? So big up to all my members who actually subscribe to be a member on Jamaica Walk By. The link is in the description, you see me? No joke. And again, if you watch thus far and you're not yet liked, please, I'm asking you to like the video. If you can subscribe, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. We're on a road to 1 million subscribers. 1 million me I aim for. And we are going to do it. See? Yes. No joke. Look good. Annotto Bay massive. As we roll through. Big up to my partner in crime, Lexi. And baby Jamaica Walk By, Kylia. My little daughter, you see it? So, blessings and love to everyone, always. Seen? No joke, no doubt. Peace in all parts of the world. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. One love.
Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jai's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa it is. Oh, shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa it is. Looking around, I see a man. And only used to be sidewalk is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa it is. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa it is. Angola awaits us, yes. Nigeria awaits us, yes. Ethiopia awaits us, yeah. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, it is. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yeah. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa.